everybody, welcome to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys my Walmart Ibotta haul. Now I'm not really mad, but I am kind of mad. So I needed 20 rebates to hit the $10 bonus that came out today, and I had 10 rebates. I thought I had 21, and I'm like, sweet. Go to the registers, I get home, submit my receipt, and I accidentally bought one wrong item. I scanned it at the store and it worked, but I didn't read it, and I'll share with you guys in a second. But I only got 19 rebates, so I just need one more to get a $10 rebate, but it's an okay. There's still some pretty good deals. I got a lot of stuff that I think I got every single item that I have not gotten in a while, so I'm pretty excited with that to share with you guys. But yeah, I needed 20 rebates to hit a bonus, which I'll probably get it in this weekend. And then I had the Weekend Warrior. I didn't need to see how many I needed, but I only got $1. And then I don't even think I finished. Yeah, I didn't finish level 1, so that's it. And then I have a couple of different bonuses that I'll share with you guys. So I got the freebie, and it looks like you guys can get this freebie at 3 different places. I'm not sure. I'd have to check it now since my Walmart app. But this is the squeezable peanut butter. This is actually perfect for like traveling, I think. Like, then you don't have to get your knife or whatever. You can just squeeze it on there and then spread it. But this was $2.47. You would pay $2.47 for this, but then you guys will get $2.47 back with Ibotta. Every rebate that I am doing is Ibotta. I didn't do any other rebates, apps, anything, just all Ibotta. So this would be absolutely free. So if you guys need some free peanut butter. So, yes. Macaroni and cheese, these are 88 cents. You guys would pay $1.76 to buy 2 of them. I have $1 off of 2 rebate with Ibotta, making them just 76 cents. And then I actually got a 50-cent bonus. I think I had to buy it 3 or 4 or 5 times, I don't remember, to get a bonus, but I did get a 50-cent craft bonus included, so that was a good deal. The Love's diapers. Funny thing is, they had tons of newborns, tons of 1s, tons of 2s. I didn't see any 3s, and they had 5s and 6s, and then I get 4s. I had to crawl. I had to take stuff off the shelf, and I had to crawl underneath between stuff to bring stuff to the front because no diapers were like faced. It was just all thrown all over the place. But I'm like, I need some diapers. So the Love's diapers are $4.97. You guys want to use a 3 off of 2 coupon that we just got from our P&G inserts this past Sunday. You would pay $6.97, but then you can submit a $1 rebate times 2 with Ibotta, making them $4.94 or just $2.47. So I have the other one upstairs because I didn't want to bring both packages downstairs. So love the diapers. I am not brand specific at all. I do like Pampers. The one thing I like about Pampers is they have their rewards program, and I get free money for just like scanning certain codes. But Love's is a P&G product, so make sure you guys, I finally need to start getting it in my head to submit your receipts to P&G so you guys can get points. You don't get very much, but you know what? In case you ever need stuff, go for it. So, I wish I did the men's razors. I was not thinking, but I ended up getting the Skintimate razors. Now, these were $5.97. I used a $3 off insert coupon, or there were printables. You guys would pay $2.97 for this, but there is a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making it just $2 rebate, making them just 97 cents for this. And then I ended up getting the Spark. Oh, it doesn't slide. It's tape. This was $7.97. I used a $4 off coupon that we got from our inserts. Paid $3.97. You guys would submit a $3 rebate with Ibotta, making them just 97 cents. So, I have yet to, I don't know. I kind of like, I don't know. I need to try it. So, I'm just like, I love Gillette Venus razors. The best. I got the Jergens lotion. Now, the Jergens lotion was $3.34. I used a $1.50 off coupon that we got from our inserts. Paid $1.84. You would submit a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making them just 84 cents. So I haven't got Jergens in forever, and there is a printable for that. Now, I was not going to do this deal, and then I saw I had the $10 bonus, and I'm like, yeah, sure, we'll do it because of the $10 bonus, and then I messed up. But anyways, these are the secret, and these are the oil deodorants. So basically, you guys want to buy 2 of them. They are $4.97. I used $1 off a 2 coupon that we got from our P&G. So this will also include for your P&G rebates, you guys. You'd pay $8.94. But then you guys will submit a 5 off a 2 rebate with Ibotta, making them $3.94 or $1.97. I don't know. I don't know if that's a great deal. I mean, it's rare for me to get secret sometimes. So I'm like, sometimes for $2, it could be a decent price. So I'm going to share with you guys the degrees. Okay, I got a ton of degree stuff. Now, I scanned my receipt for all of this stuff for Fetch Rewards. It did not like catch it, and I'm like, I'm not submitting my receipt because these items are so new that they're not even in the Fetch Rewards system. So just giving you guys a heads up that I did scan it, but I ended up getting a ton of degree products. I was just gonna get one of each, and then I'm like, wait, these are 10 different rebates. So I was pretty excited because I originally was gonna try to do it. But anyways, this is the degree body wash. The men's there's 4 different flavors, and then the women's there's 4. I got Epsom salt and tart cherry. I was trying to smell it while this actually smells pretty good. I was trying to smell it with my mask on, and then I'm like, oh, I'm just gonna smell it. But these were $5.47. I used a $2 off printable coupon that we got from from coupons.com. I can't remember what day we were printing them off. But you guys would pay $3.47 for this, and then there is a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.47. And I just got all these just to share with you guys. I mean, I usually say body wash for $1, but I'm like, you know what, I wanted to share with you guys. And I'm actually pretty excited to try this. This is stuff that I'm actually excited to try. So we got the body wash, okay? Then I got the bars of soap. Now the bars of soap for the women's, I'm not a huge fan. They had ginger, which I'm not, or no, they had menthol and ginger for the men's, and then I think it was ginger or something, and citrus extract for the women's. So I couldn't really tell, but these were $4.97. I used a $1 off printable coupon from coupons.com. I think we are getting some of these coupons in our inserts this Sunday. I always get I always get some inserts on Wednesdays in my mail. My mail lady helps me out, but I don't use those until Sunday because they might not work or anything like that. But you guys would submit a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta, making these just $1.97. So that's basically like 50 cents a bar since there's 4 of them in here. So just wanted to get them to share with you guys because it's nice to see new products. So yes. I got Epsom salt. The women's is lavender extra. Yeah, that's what it was. And I'm not a lavender person. And then the menthol. The menthol didn't smell that bad. I'm not a lavender person, but I'm like, you know what? We'll still try this stuff. So these were $5.97. I used a $2 off printable coupon. Paid $3.97. You submit a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.97. So these are 2 different rebates right here for you guys. So excited to share with that. And then I got these little bad boys, the little bars with the bumps on it. I'm probably going to use this one because I want to use it, but okay, so these are the massage bars. These were $2.97. I used a $1 off printable coupon that we got from our insert, or we got from coupons.com. I don't even remember what day it was. But you would pay $1.97 for these. You can submit a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making it just 97 cents. So I didn't smell these when I was at the store because it's kind of hard to smell stuff when you have your mask on. So I got that, and then I also got these. Now these are body wipes. So basically you can just like wipe yourself. They're 10 individually wrapped wipes. They say they're extra large wipes. For like after workouts, in the middle of a busy day, while camping. So I don't know if there are any deodorant in them or not, but if you guys need to smell nice. So these were $5.97. I used a $2 off printable coupon, paid $3.97, submitted a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.97. So if you guys got that, that's like what, 20 20 cents a wipe or something like that. I don't know. And then I got 2 more items for you guys. So I ended up getting the Dunkin' Donuts. I got the caramel macchiato. My store was sold out of the other one, so I just had this one. But this one I'm going to give to my in-laws because they like coffee. So this was $3.98. There was a $1.50 off printable coupon on coupons.com. You guys would pay $2.48. You can submit a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.98. Now, if your stores do not let you do printable coupons, make sure you guys are constantly checking the coupons.com app. You guys have to have that stuff clipped before you purchase the items, but you guys will get your money back for that if you want to do that. And I got Kix, you guys. I haven't had Kix in years. I like Kix where I put sugar on it, so I'm like, I might have a bowl of Kix because this is something I haven't had forever and I've been craving it like crazy. So these were $3.76. Now this is the family size, so these are giant boxes. I used a $1 off of 2 coupon that we got from our inserts this past weekend. Forgot where it's got. Paid $6.52 for 2 of them. I left the other box upstairs so I could eat it. But then there is a $1 rebate for this times 2. Now there is a smaller box where you get 50 cents. My store didn't have the 50-cent one, or didn't have the smaller box. But you guys would get this for $4.52 or just $2.26. I don't know if that's a pretty good deal, but I mean, considering it's a giant box, I think that's an okay deal. So yeah. That was my haul, you guys. I was really looking forward to get that $10 rebate, and I messed up. I got the Ritz. Now, I had Ritz boxes with 50-cent coupons attached to it. Scanned the item, said match. Well, I didn't read it. You need to have a Ritz Crispers and a Ritz Crackers. I ended up getting 2 of the Ritz Crispers, so I totally messed that up. Which is okay, things happen, but I just want to make sure if you guys do that deal, make sure you read it, because the last couple weeks it's been buy 2 of the same items or mix and match, however you want to do it. So make sure you guys pay attention because I messed up. So that's my fault, not a big deal. So I did not get the $10 bonus. My total came to $76.45. I ended up getting $35.95 back with Ibotta. I got a 50-cent craft rebate. I got a $1.50 Loves rebate because I did 3 separate transactions of the Loves, so that's how I got that rebate. I got $2 of a degree bonus for buying, I think it was like you had to just buy 2 of those and you would got the $2 off degree bonus. So make sure you guys check that out. And then I finished the Weekend Warrior with a $1 bonus. I scanned my receipt for Fetch Rewards, only got 75 points. I think it was because it was the General Mills, which I got to send my receipt to the General Mills. And then, did I get anything? No. Okay, so yeah, it wasn't the greatest haul, but I'm still happy with what I got because I got stuff that I actually can use and try. So my grand total came to $35.50. So not that, I mean, it was over $100. I had a couple other things and it came to like $130 something. I ended up having over $30 worth of coupons, which I was pretty excited. 19 coupons I used. So I got 25 items at $1.42 each. So I'm gonna say it's an deal, but I'm still happy with what I got. You know, I'm excited to try all those degree items, and that's the reason why I wanted to share with you guys that, and say in case you guys need to get some. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video, giving it a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. Sorry for not doing a video last week. If you guys follow me on my Facebook page, where you're actually my friend, you guys can be Facebook friends with me and you can be on my same Ibotta team. Basically, you just have to link your Facebook, become Facebook friends with me, and then you guys can be on the same team, so it helps you guys get your levels a lot easier, because I usually get my levels like that. So you can send me a friend request, and I'll usually like ask Ibotta questions on there. Sometimes I ask personal questions, so if you guys want to friend request me, I have the link below that you guys can friend request me. But if there are times where if I don't accept you after a while, like I know like 98% of the women, I'm not trying to be mean, but I get 98% of the women who are friend request me, and then I get a man once every while. And there's nothing wrong with it. There are men couponers, but some of them, I get a lot of weird men. I get all these guys that are widowed. They live on the other side of the world, and then they're in the army, and I'm like, fake, because I scroll down, and then it has somebody else's name that I can't even pronounce. So if I accidentally delete you guys, just, you know, send me a message, because sometimes I yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.